I like carabiners. There's a really cool one right here. This carabiner has a locking mechanism. All I have to do is push here and here, and it's kind of like one motion. If I want to detach something, all I have to do is grab it and detach it. If it's pushes over here by mistakes, it will keep it locked. But this lock will line up with here, and it will slide to evenly easy. So easy, I love it. One of a kind. There's a brand for it. One of a kind carabiner for sure. Transparent tape. Transparent, like DC gadgets are really popular. There you go. This is in centimeters, and I think this is in inches. Yep, very cool. Kind of cool to see how it works. Wow, that's long. 73 inches. Let's see what happens at 90 inches. And look how tight that is. That spring. And then we let go and pulls everything back in, and that spring. That is so cool. I never knew what's inside of them. Now we can see what's inside them. That spring just get tightened up. Very cool, like everyday carry measuring tape. There's a Gerber multi-tool, center drive, needle nose. This is like a military level, so the way to open them, you just push it right here and pull them out. That is awesome. Very lightweight for such a big, like a multi-tool. I like it how it's a at the front button right here. Wow. Push and release. Wire cutters with the removable wire cutters, replaceable. Beautiful needle nose, made in USA. Gerber. Okay, what's so special about these ones? First of all, wow, nice. How does this work? This. I'll lock this up real quick. Or will it? Yeah, it does. So pull this out, and we have right here a nice screwdriver with the removable bit. Okay, frame lock. Cool. There's a lock right here of some sort. Let's see what's under there. Okay, that's a lock for this stuff. So this is a file, and to put it away, all I have to do is just push this back. This is amazing. Oh no way, look at that pry bar nail puller. Ugh. And there's a punch right here, a little knife punch. That is cool. So lock this up, and then to lock this up, push it up whenever it's fully unlocked, put it away. I mean, I never seen such a cool screwdriver all the way opens like this. I think I'm missing something. How does this comes off? Okay, it just unfolds this way, and just replace this one, put this one away, and put this one in here. That is cool. It is magnetic too. It comes with the whole bit holder with it. So the multi-tool will go into here, and the bits will go into here. That's it. Here's a utility knife. Very interesting one. It has a button lock or something. This whole thing is a button lock. So push this and unlock it. Wow, that is cool. Has a safety on it. Okay, there you go. Locks and unlocks very smoothly, so very comfortable. There's a little utility knife, and the cool thing is, look at that magnetic right here. Pull this out, put that in, and use it as a screwdriver. That is so nice. Let's say we close this. Boom, we have a little screwdriver right here. Nice clip, soft clip. Wow, so easy to plug it in. There's a multiple blade holder. Cool. There's a whole bunch of them. Very nice. Just in my opinion, overall, such a really nice blade over here at the edge, cut into something. That's cool. And to push this and remove it, flip it over. Wow, that is so easy. Ooh, there's another like a rope cutter over here. That is nice. I can't believe it how easy it is to unlock it and lock it. Very decent tool over here with the big screwdrivers. Leatherman curl multi-tool comes with a pouch. So that's how it spells. See what's about. First of all, very easy to deploy a blade. Nice. On this side, pull it this way. We have right here like a file. Beautiful. Little frame lock. Okay. Very smooth and opens pretty good. And non-replaceable wire cutters. That's cool. Unless this right here removes the whole wire cutters, could be replaced. Nice. Needle nose. Beautiful. Okay, what's in here? So first of all, we have right here can opener. This is not a bottle opener, this is a can opener. And this right here is this screwdriver, Phillips and flathead. Very cool. And on this side, let's see, very easy to pull it out. Usually on the multi-tools it's kind of tight. This is easy and quick. Nice scissors with spring loaded. Fold it this way. Very nice punch knife tool. And like a pry bar screwdriver, more of a pry bar. Very cool. Leatherman, very impressive, high quality multi-tools. I like this one a lot. Civivi tie bar. Let's see what it's all about. It is quite small. This one is titanium anodized purple. So cute. Let's see what it says over here. Ostar Hell Design. So there's a designer name, and because it's titanium, it's really lightweight, so I will not even feel that much weight on my keychain. It's just a little bit bigger than my finger follicle, like just a little bit. So no sharp edges into here, but it would pop to the tape really easily. But if I need to pry something open, would be pretty easily, like a bottle opener and so on. Super unique. I really like it how small that is. Tactical gear organizer Molly system. There you go. So let's see what it's about. My most exciting part about it looks like this knife holders, CDC holders, little tools, magazine holders. Okay. Let's see, let's stick one in, see what happens. So fits in there really well, or you can go into here. You see a tolerance side here, beautiful, this way or this way, either way, very nice. There's a smaller pockets for other things. There's like a little drop pouch, so just a really good little pouch for building like a survival kit or a little tool kit. And again, there is a little pouches this way, just for example, drop pouch right here, and same thing, zipper pouch. So yeah, definitely would be a nice first aid organizer Molly system. So this would attach to like a back seat attachment Molly system, or backpack, or even like a little vest, like a bulletproof vest and so on. Roxwood hammer. A Roxwood hammer tool. Let's see what it's all about. So it comes with a really cool logo and a belt clip. Oh, nice. Wow, that is cute little hammer, that's for sure. Nail puller, wow, okay, that's impressive. Usually they're a lot bigger, so this one definitely designed. Okay, there's a wire cutters. How do I open it to figure this out? Oh, there you go. So I'll pull this up. So this is how it works. Pull this out to open it, pull and lock. That is cool. Very satisfying. So now we have wires. Look at that spin. Works really well. Wire cutters. And so now we have wire cutters. Look how well it works. And it's replaceable cutters. Nice. Okay, what's in here? Ooh, what is that? Let's find out. Oh, no way, fire starter. There you go. So perfect for camping. It's pretty much it probably now. Okay. Locking mechanism. Okay, well, let's see what's in here. You have a really nice, very nice file, screwdriver, saw, bottle opener, can opener, pry bar screwdriver, and another blade right here. Very cool. Locks in there, and this is right here, locking mechanism. That is cute. There's a measuring tape. Rhino. I guess that looks like a rhino right here. Interesting. Very cute. That's for sure. Corsair Function MXT 8100. Very unique knife with right here hidden features. Assisted knife, partially serrated. Cool. So what's in here? A clip. Decent clip, so I can clip it anywhere close by, maybe for fishing. Or I can pull this out, and there's like a little rope cutter, bottle opener, wrench, and a little screwdriver. That's it. Oh, this one is a frame lock as well. Very decent, like window breaker right here. Very decent, unique little knife.